Okay, so what we have here, getting down there in the demonstrations, I've got a big bottle here with a one-hole stopper and a glass tube. And what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to make a cloud. And so I want to talk a little bit about what a cloud is. A cloud is water molecules stuck together in piles big enough to see in the air. How do you make that happen? Well, you got to give them a chance to stick together. So there have to be two things going on. One, there have to be enough of them to make piles, right? So humidity has to be high. That's how many, that tells you about the amount of water molecules in the air. When it's more humid, there are more water molecules in there. The other thing you got to do is slow them down so they can stick together. Okay, that means the temperature goes down. So I'm going to load the air in here with water molecules. So somehow I've got to find a way to make them evaporate. So there are a lot of them in the air. There probably already are, but I want to stack the odds in our favor. Then I need to lower the temperature so they slow down, stick together in piles. Okay, so I'm going to, not cheating really, but I'm going to stack the odds in our favor by giving them something to stick to. So not just each other, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put little particles of stutba in the air, okay? I'm going to light this match, and I'm going to shake it out, and I'm going to get a little bit of smoke in it. How am I going to do that? What I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the pressure in there, okay? I'm going to suck air out. I know there's no such thing as suction, trust me. Okay, so now I've got low pressure in there. I got myself in a little bind here, huh? And so when I move my finger, the air in the room is going to win the collision game because they're less tightly packed in there. Uh-oh. Okay, so there we go. Come on. Oh, man. Flunk. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Okay, so it's not taking that much smoke, right? But we'll do everything we can to make this work. Now I've got to evaporate the water. How am I going to get the water to evaporate? You know water evaporates if the molecules are moving faster, which means the temperature is higher. How can you make the temperature higher? Remember pressure-temperature relationship? I'm going to blow into this, and that's going to increase the pressure. That's going to increase the temperature, and that's going to make the water molecules move faster and tend to break away and fly into the air, what we call evaporating. So here we go, raising the temperature by increasing the pressure. Okay, a little bit of a leap of faith that an old man like me can blow into it hard enough to raise the temperature by raising the pressure, but there we go. Now how am I going to lower the temperature? By lowering the pressure. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! How can I get that to evaporate? Okay, how can I get it to condense? Okay, so there we go. So water molecules will stick together if you let them. So why are there clouds? So if we look out the window there at the clouds, why are they all up there in the sky? And it's because it's lower temperature up there. Okay, and we can sort of see that the bottoms of the clouds are sort of flat. This isn't a great day for seeing that. If I get a chance to take a picture between now and whenever I put this assignment up on Google Classroom, I will get a picture of nice flat bottom clouds, because what you know is that as you go higher in the atmosphere, the temperature goes down. And at some altitude, some temperature, right? Because as the altitude goes up, the temperature goes down. At some point, the water molecules in the air are going to be sticking together faster than they're coming apart. So if you go down a little bit, they're coming apart faster and there's no cloud. If you go up a little bit, and I realize I'm talking way too fast for most of you, Thanks for paying attention if you were able to.